I miss you, Papi.
I miss you too.
Papi. Okay, malit mo yan?
Come help me.
Oh, sure, Papi. I'll help you. This thing's too light. This thing's too heavy.
How are you, my friend?
Good.
How are you, Sheldon?
Good. Papi.
Baby, this one's really shady.
Papi, even was going to put Hey guys, I love my dad. I love him so much. I'm so proud of her. Everything. I love him so much. He gave me ice cream. Everything else.
You so part of her.
Yes.
You serious?
Of course, I'm serious.
Bien sûr, je vous dis Chanel. Plus, toujours plus.
Et encore plus.
Attachez vos ceintures, car ça va chauffer. Let's go, pow.
Papi. Okay, malit mo yan?
Come help me.
Oh, sure, Papi. I'll help you. This thing's too light. This thing's too heavy.
How are you, my friend?
Good.
How are you, Sheldon?
Good. Papi.
Baby, this one's really shady.
Papi, even was going to put So yummy, right? Here, go. Then no more medicine.
I'm not sick.
You're not sick anymore?
No.
Good now?
Call the doctor for me.
Huh?
Call the doctor.
Doctor? Okay, I'm gonna call the doctor for you.
Where's your phone?
I'm getting my phone. Doctor, these some people is sick right now. I give him some medicine and he feels sick. Can you please help him? Okay, you be right back. You 20 minutes? Come on, just come 3 minutes. Okay, fine. Just go 6 minutes. Doctor's going to 6 minutes.
6 minutes?
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah. Don't worry, sweetie. Don't worry. The doctor will be really soon right now.
I can't wait.
You can't wait?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Doctor, please. You don't need to come see my room. My brother, he's okay now.
Sheldon va en jouette.
Oh, papi va aux jouettes. Oh, Sheldon va aux jouettes. Oh, papi va aux jouettes.
You're the boss.
I'm the boss.
Your dad is best.
Yeah.
Your mom is best.
My Bobby's best. Hey guys, I love my dad. I love him so much. I'm so proud of her. Everything. I love him so much. He gave me ice cream. Everything else.
You so part of her.
Yes. Of course, I'm serious.
What next? Huh?
Hey guys, I love my dad. He is so angry at me. I'm so mad at her. I'm
So
going
mad
to
at me for what?
Let me read.
serious. Don't tell me I'm crazy, okay?
Don't tell me I'm stupid.
Okay. I'm serious, okay?
I am serious too. But you must not tell me stupid. Call me mustache. Papi, I need $1,000,000.
Hey!
Papi, that's a unicorn, Papi. Wow, like it, Papi. One customer ka, Papi. Island. And customer ko. Papi, what's that? No, this one. No. Watch it! Watch it!
Oh, that's ugly.
Ugly?
We don't want that.
I don't want that. I said Morales. It's this one. No, another Papi. Papi, here, Toto. Papi, tu peux essayer de parler.
Tu vas parler?
Yeah, you can parler too, oui.
Okay, no.
Kuto na gun.
You like this one?
No, kuto na gun.
You like this one?
Sheldon bows with awe. Sheldon bows with awe. Sheldon bows with